Bring the face of your camera down. No, no worry.
I worked in NTA as a student.
Okay, village. That's why we are here.
Holiday job. But that's a long time. That's a holiday. That's a long time ago. And then, yes, my sister is from NTA.
There was no beavers then.
Oh, really?
Nice.
There was no beavers then.
Mama,
Is the seat free? He doesn't need to sit down. He cannot bow.
Please, when the time comes, okay, give this wine. We're begging now. No, I know that it will be rowdy, that's why we're putting it now.
I'm calling them.
Who got that one?
Sorry. Let me wear this thing for now.
Check my...
No, don't worry. Stay down, take care of me.
No, it's still live.
Hello.
How much?
Please, all these cameras are live. Everybody's working. Everybody has some different ways of
Yes, now. Take your position. Oga, come back. Come back, you know. Move back now.
all these police they show themselves well.
Yeah. Stop. You are in my shots. Oga, bring am back. I beg.
This guy used to have the block me, just the manage.
They run, then later they will come back when you want to.
Well, they need to capture you. I told them for.
Na phone, na this phone. This phone.
Look here.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
We've been here now for about 2 hours. Many people have been here even much longer than that. People have been here for 5 hours and more. It's good we're able to cast our ballot, but I think I'm not very happy with the process that delayed the coming of materials. Again, this is a single state election. ANEC has had all the time to prepare, all the resources, and so we shouldn't have had some of the problems we had today. But having said that, the good thing is that the people have been calm, the people have remained very patient, the people are steadfast, and they've made up their mind that they will stay here, they will wait the process, and they will cast their votes. And nothing's going to deter them. So that's good. But then people don't need to go through that hassle and suffering to be able to cast their votes. Not necessary.
So, any feelers from elsewhere that you're comfortable with or not comfortable with?
The fillers, I get good fillers from elsewhere. People, exit polls show that we're doing very well. So we're comfortable, we're very comfortable, and we're very happy with that. What we're not comfortable with is the little shenanigans that are going on, particularly from the APC guys. We've had rumors and we've seen things that the APC fellows have been trying to undermine the process. Many of them have been caught with ballot papers. Many of them have been caught with PVCs, and they are running around. The worst still, they go around trying to buy votes. I hear the rates now is, I don't know whether it's 15, they say now, or 20,000, So they're going around. So they've tried everything to subvert the process. Again, if you have something to offer people, you want to work to subvert the process. It's when you don't have anything to offer people that you become so desperate. And I'm seeing that the APC, that should show a good example, as the party in power at the national level, is now the party that is undermining the democratic process. And I said this before, the leader of the APC is a Democrat. And so why is the party undermining his credential and his capability? Why? And you know, people don't just even care about the kind of reputational damage they're causing to our country. It keeps showing that the people don't care about Nigeria, they don't even care about their party, and definitely they don't care about the people. But by and large, on balance, our exit polls just show what we knew. So we expect that we will win this election hands down by a landslide. And we'll see what happens, you know. Thereafter, we will settle with the people of Edo State, and we will make sure that we move our state to the next level by God's grace. The other thing I want to say really is, if there's still anybody at home that hasn't stepped out to exercise their votes, please step out. It's okay. It's okay. You know, the military, I'm very proud. The Nigerian military has made me extremely proud. They've taken charge. They've shown great responsibility. They've shown that they can protect their people, and I'm extremely proud. And our military, you know, in years gone by, they've always accredited themselves with the best anywhere in the world, you know, and I think they're going back to those days, and I'm truly proud. So all the other people that have been funny in the way they've been carrying out their duties, the military has neutralized them, and I'm so proud. So people should please just step out, come and vote. I don't see, there's no reason for us all not to come and vote. You see in our polling unit here, more people keep coming in. Those that have dodged the rain, they're coming in, and I'm very happy. And people are going around encouraging people to come out to vote, and that makes me very happy too. So we're not worried, you know. Again, you know, every person is as good as the work they do and the reputation they carry. We spent the last 10 months working extremely hard, talking to the people of this state, telling the people of this state what we will do for them by the grace of God if they give us the opportunity to be the government of the state. And the people believe us, and they've accepted what we've said all over the state. Edo North, the kind of numbers I'm hearing from Edo North, from exit polls, you know, really overwhelms me. Edo Central and Edo South. So, you know, I don't know what magic anybody wants to perform, but you know, Nigeria, funny things happen. I don't know what magic anybody wants to perform, and I don't know what they want to subvert. People keep talking about the ability to tamper with beavers, tamper with backhand, you know, I don't believe in those things that way. People will try, but if INEC is true to its reputation and its role and its functions, it won't happen, because people can't come from outside to do these things without internal collusion. It's not possible. So if it happens, that means there's internal collusion. And like I said, the INEC chairman has assured and promised us that there is not going to be any such collusion in this process. Again, I believe him until he proves otherwise. So by and large, as at what time is it now? 12:20 today. We're confident. We're okay. We're hopeful. We're not happy about a few ongoings in some places, but we remain confident. If it's the election, we will win, hands down.
Thank you, sir.
Will you be expecting that phone call?
Beg your pardon, sir.
Will you be expecting that phone call
From
your opponents if you are declared the winner? And will you make that phone call, Chris, if you are not declared the winner?
That's a litigator's question that you ask. But I will answer you also as a litigator myself. I used to be a litigator in my former life. You know, I expect that phone calls will be made when people believe that the process has been free and fair. Okay? When people believe. For me personally, I will always make phone calls if I know the process is free and fair. But I know I'm the person that will receive phone calls. In a free and fair process, I am the person that will receive the phone calls. Because like I said, we're going to win hands down. Hands down. Except something goes totally wrong. But God Almighty is in control. We believe in God. We know that God is in control. We know that God will take charge of everything that is happening here, and we are supremely confident. And so we're not worried. You know, we're not worried.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
What? Take it easy.
Thanks, bro.
Come like this.